later, mamimigay na naman tayo ng mga damit. Okay? So, damit ang ipapamigay natin. Please share this live to all the peoples you know na can't afford or walang yung mahirap, guys. Okay? So, share this. Then, this is all for free to you. And then, I would, at sana, no, kahit thankful lang, kahit one picture lang, once you receive these things of mine, no, na ipapamigay ko sa mga tao, no, guys, kahit isang picture lang, no, na i-post nyo, no, sa social media, okay, sa social media, i-post nyo yung mga binibigay ko sa inyo, then, of course, no, just be thankful, no, thank you, just like that, no, post nyo lang, or you can send the picture to my comment section, no, sa comment section, pwede nyong i-post dyan yung picture kung nahihiya kayo. I do understand, no, na yung iba talagang mahihiyain, but yung iba, no, talagang nagpapasalamat through social media, no, nagpo-post po sila.